could forget you, I could make new plans, find someone to help me spend his time on my hands. I could pick up the pieces, even fall in love again. But until I do, I'd rather miss you and live with the memories. The nights when you held me will carry me through. And if I had to choose between living without you and learning to love someone new, I'd rather miss you. From the first time I saw you till the day we said goodbye, you were the best thing ever walking into my life. So I just keep waiting, hoping you'll come back again. But until you do, I'd rather miss you and live with the memories. The nights when you held me will carry me through. And if I had to choose between living without you and learning to love someone new, I'd rather miss you. And if I had to choose between living without you and learning to love someone new, I'd rather miss you. And I'd rather miss you. And I'd rather miss you.